So today we're going to be working on starting and stopping the spindle on the CNC lathe. Now when the machine's already homed out and ready to go, we can just press MDI on our spindle. We can type in M3 S500. This will program the speed of 500 RPM for our spindle. We can then press right or enter. We'll close the doors on our machine and we'll press the green cycle start button. Make sure you don't turn the power on button on, it's already on. That'll start your spindle. As you can see, the spindle spinning at 500 RPMs. Now once the spindle's been started, now you can control it in the override section. From here you can go forward, stop, or reverse to control the spindle. You can't change the speed of the spindle anything other than overrides, but you can start, stop, and reverse it here.